So hi there. I'm going to show you the influence of a simple HVAC machine on an acoustical measurement and on the background noise of a room. So I have my sound level meter, and behind me this is my home studio. So I have some kind of acoustical panels, and over there's a HVAC machine. It's a simple unit, a simple splitter unit. Must have around 1200 BTUs. Sorry, 12,000 BTUs actually, not 1200. And so this room is quite silent at night. So I'm going to shut up for a little bit and so you can check the noise. So it goes around 33, 34, 32 decibels. There's a bit of background noise from some dogs barking and some traffic noise, but it's quite distant. So now I'm going to switch on the unit. So we have around 40 decibels dBAs, which is quite noisy for a recording studio. So usually what I do in my space is basically to switch on the air conditioner so that the temperature drops, and then just switch off when I want to record something. Of course, I can reduce the fan speed, and maybe I will get maybe 35 or something like that. But it's quite noisy indeed. So, as you can see, it has a vast impact on the noise conditions inside the room. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.